Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to provide you some information which will help you a lot. This video contains the complete details of my journey from the written assessment to the onboarding. I'll provide you with the correct dates, what has been sent on which date, and how the onboarding process has been done. This information is completely related to the Deloitte NLA. Before getting to the information, I also applied for the OTN, which is Open Talent Network. Getting into the content of the video, initially I have applied for the OTN on December 24th, 2022. So I got the mail for selecting the time and date slot for the examination on 26th December. Then I choose the slot of 30 December 2022, which is 8 p.m. Then I took the exam, but I was not selected for this OTN because I haven't cleared. So I got the reply on 19 Jan 2023 that I was not selected for the OTN. Now let us get into our content, which is NLA. So I'll discuss the topics by section wise, like written assessment, when did I apply for that, and when did I get the results, and when did I get the official confirmation for onboarding, etc. Now let us deal with the written assessment. So initially, before written assessment, we have to apply for the role, right? So I have applied for this NLA analyst trainee on 16 Jan 2023. Then I got the assessment slot confirmation mail on 17 Jan 2023, where I should choose the slot for the assessment. So I kept my slot for 7 p.m. on 21st Jan 2023. I also mentioned that I got the result for OTN on 19 Jan 2023, that I was not selected for OTN, right? Now I got the exam link on 21st Jan 2023 because my slot is kept on 21st Jan, right? So I got the link on the same day itself for the exam, but my exam is at 7 p.m. I got it at 1 o'clock. And next, coming to the assessment result, I got the mail as I was shortlisted on clearing the assessment on 3rd February. Then now I had a clarity that I was clear written assessment. The next step is interview. So I got the confirmation slot for interview mail on 9th Feb. That indicates that you have to select a slot for the taking interview. Then I took my interview on the selected date. One thing that I need to tell you is already I made a video on Deloitte interview of my personal. So if you want to watch that, you can check it out in the Deloitte playlist, you will find it there. And coming to the interview result, I got the result that I have cleared it on 22nd March 2023. Now we can know that I have cleared the written assessment and as well as the interview. Then now let us wait for the next step. As I mentioned that I got the interview result on 22nd March. Then the next day itself, that is 23rd March, I got the confirmation of verbal offer. And the next step that happened is on 11th April 2023, when I got the letter of intent, that is LOI. After LOI, then on 15th April 2023, I got my goodies delivered. Next, on May 5th, 2023, I got a mail of information on course completion about final semester, in which you have to give some details like when you will complete your final semester, like that. Then I got the goodies survey mail, in which you have to fill the survey whether you got the goodies or not. Here comes the next mail is next step mail, which is on 10th July 2023, registration NLA 2023 consulting. Here comes the main thing, in which you have to register for the, you need to do the registration in Deloitte portal, and you will apply for this, where the main task starts here. and there was no reply at all from them until 9th August. From 10th July to 9th August there was no communication. Then on 9th August I got a mail that Deloitte recruiting update, phase-wise onboarding. This mail actually consists that information which will tell you we are going through phase-wise onboarding, so you will be onboarded. Then from 9th August to 22nd November, I didn't had any communication. On 22nd November, I got the MFA mail, which is PHT portal, Aadhaar, PAN. You have to fill all those required things. Then on 14th December, I got the location preference survey where you have to choose the location preferences. Like if you want to stay in which location as your first preference, you can give nearly 3 preferences, I guess. So that is the mail that I got on 14th December. Here comes the most weighted one, which is the offer letter, which I got on 9 January 2024. So once you receive your offer letter, then everything starts. Keep getting your mails, like you will be very busy with some other task after getting the offer letter. So once I got the offer letter, then I got the mail from the First Advantage, which is linked with the Deloitte for background verification. On 9th January itself I got the offer letter. Then itself I got the First Advantage mail for background verification on 9th Jan. On accepting your offer letter, you will get congrats on accepting offer letter mail. Now here comes the things which makes you very busy. That is, welcome to Deloitte, please start learning mail, which I got it on 10th January. And on 10th January also got DTL Launchpad program called Kickoff. Once you start your pre-start learning journey, then you will have lot of kickoff calls for DTL Launchpad program. On 10th January, I also got NHR mail. So that is what I mentioned, that once you get offer letter, then you will become busy with all these things. And on 12th January, I got the Udemy Access and LinkedIn Learning Access mail, where you have to start your pre-start learning through Udemy Access and LinkedIn Learning. The next mail that I got is on 17th January, which is assistance with relocation. Actually, this mail is they have added the another location in the location preferences, so that's why they have sent this mail. Next, on 25th January, I got the mail for Lumen Alert and VILT sessions. So here comes the thing is, so in this mail I had that from 29 and 30 January I have some Lumen classes, which is from morning 9:30 to 6:30, which I have already made the video on that. And then I have VILT sessions from 29 Jan to 2nd February, that is complete full days, that is 9:30 to 6:30. So guys, make sure that once you get your offer letter, then really you will be quite busy. Once I'm done with the Lumen and VILT sessions, then on 6th February I got the mail of initial badge photo. I have already made the video on this. If you want, you can check it out. And on 7th February I got the mail for register for Spark on so and so date. So definitely you have to register for that, because you will have Spark sessions on from the 3rd day or 4th day of your joining. On the 7th February itself I got the welcome to D-Launch, whenever you specific dates, on which dates you will have the D-Launch. And then on 8th February I got the mail that welcome to DU, because your Spark programs will happen in the DU itself. And then on 11th February I got the mail for MFA enrollment, because date of joining is 12th February. So once you onboarded officially, then you will receive all the mails related to you on your Deloitte mail itself. You will not get any mails onto your personal mail. Guys, literally I can say that I have applied for this role on 16 Jan 2023 and got onboarded on 12 Feb 2024, which took me almost 1 year plus. So I cannot say for everyone it will take 1 year like that, but it depends on the phase that you are getting onboarded. I don't know how the Deloitte will divide us into the phases, but I can say I was onboarded in the last phase. A small suggestion from my side: to know in which phase you will get onboarded, just contact your seniors who are working in Deloitte as in which phase they were onboarded, so that you can estimate in which phase you are going to get onboarded. Because this happened to me, so that's why I'm just giving a suggestion to you. So actually my seniors were onboarded in the last phase, so that's why I realized that maybe I would also be onboarded in the last phase. So that is what happened to me. I was onboarded in the last phase, that is in February, but I can say a lot of people were onboarded in September, October, November, January. There was a lot of phases in which people get onboarded. If you guys have any queries, just do let me know in the comment section. Definitely I'll try to respond it. I hope I have provided a good information that will help you. If you need anything more, just do let me know in the comment section so that I can help you out. Thank you for watching the video.